Welcome back to Sweet Glamping Adventures. Today we're going to take a look at the operation of the generator on most of our fleet of Thor Freedom Elites. This is the panel that we use to start the generator. In this particular RV, which is the Emma, it's located in the hallway. On other RVs, it's located back at the entryway, just above as you step into the RV. But they all look the same. The first step before I start the generator is I come down here and I take a look at my air conditioning control. And then on the other RVs, you might have to go to a different room to check them, but check and make sure that it's in the off position. And the reason we do that is when I start the generator, it takes it a few seconds to come online. If it is overloaded right when it comes on with the air conditioning, it can kick off and you have to reset it from the outside, which is not super pleasant, especially if it's hot outside. So now that we're ready to start it, the first step is to take the rocker switch here, which is where the generator start is, go down. You're going to hold it in the prime position till the light for generator comes on, and then you release. Release for a second, rock it up to the start position. The generator starts. When the light's steady, it's done cranking and it's running. Next step, we're going to go back here and we're going to check right here on the microwave to see if we have power yet. It takes it about 15 to 30 seconds to get power on the generator. You'll hear a beep and the clock will open up on the microwave, and that tells me that the generator is online. So we'll give it a second to come on. There it is. So you can see the clock is on. So now you have power being produced by the generator. So now it's safe to come on back down the hall here and turn on the air conditioning. So I'm just going to switch it over, select cool. I'm going to set the analog to 70 degrees. The fan is already in high auto, and I already heard it come on. So it's kicking on and providing air conditioning through the power from the generator. So that's pretty easy how you start up the generator on all these Freedom Elites. Thanks for glamping with us.